What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the horror color grading, and here we will use the CapCut. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, we know that horror movie is not only about the scary elegant or scary scene, but also the color grading can have the role play or have the role important role to create the gloomy and also scary atmosphere. And here in this CapCut we will try to create the color grading, and you can also start to prepare about your favorite video from the usually the bright video, and we will try to be more, let's say, more gloomy or create the atmosphere of gloomy. So this kind of the video I have now, and you can start to open the filter or try the filters over here, and after that you can move to the movie category, and you can choose this Oppenheimer, and you can apply to it, and you will see the differences and how the atmosphere can change too. And after that you can also continue to change the color grading. We can go back to this section and you can do the adjustment, and this will be the tool that we will use now. For example, the brightness, I will start to reduce it to become -9, and after that I will also change the contrast to become -8, like this. And also the saturation will be 4. Oh, it's already good. And after that, for the brilliance, I will change it to become -20. And also the HSL, this one, on the yellow one, I will change it, the yellow, to become 24. I mean -24. And also the green one here, I will change the hue to become -100. And also the saturation, kindly wait for the advertisement, and I will change the saturation in the green one into -15, like this. And for the next one will be the graph. We can go back to the menu and click graphs over here, and I will start to change this white color, change it a little bit to become like this, and you will see the differences like this. It's become a little bit darker. And also you can adjust it too. And for the hue, this one, you can reduce it to become -22. And the last one will be the vignette, and here I will start it to become 9. And you will see this will be the video I have. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this color grading, and you can actually do the exploration to try about this color grading, and you can feel the differences when you change this several tools, just like the contrast, brightness, until the grain like this. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.